Frenchman's Bluff Trail, a hidden gem nestled within Cuivre River State Park. As you embark on this scenic journey, prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking views of rolling hills and serene woodlands. This well-maintained trail winds through diverse landscapes, offering glimpses of the park's rich wildlife and vibrant flora. As you hike, take a moment to soak in the panoramic vistas that unfold at every turn. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual walker, Frenchman's Bluffs invite you to connect with nature and experience the tranquility of the great outdoors. So lace up those hiking boots and let the adventure begin, where every step reveals the beauty of Cuivre River State Park and Frenchman's Bluff. Frenchman's Bluff is a 1.6-mile loop trail. Generally considered a moderately challenging route, it could take an average of approximately 40 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for hiking and walking, as well as taking your dog as long as he's on a leash. The popular trail follows the Godic Creek before winding up a hill and emerging on top of Frenchman's Bluff. That 120-foot high Burlington limestone bluff offers outstanding views of the Cuivre River Valley. After continuing along the bluff for approximately a half a mile, the trail returns to the picnic shelter. The trail is relatively a moderate hike, but care should be taken when on top of the bluff as the loose gravel can make footing unsure. Frenchman's Bluff gets its name from the early French explorers who traversed these lands, leaving their mark on the landscape and local lore. In the early 19th century, Frenchman's Bluff served as a vital lookout point, offering stunning views and strategic advantages. It became a gathering place for early settlers who found solace and inspiration in its breathtaking vistas. Cuivre River State Park, established in 1938 in Missouri, boasts a rich history that dates back to Native American tribes who first inhabited the area, followed by European settlers attracted to its lush landscapes and abundant resources. The Civilian Conservation Corps played a key role in developing the park during the Great Depression, constructing trails and facilities that enhance visitors' experiences today. The park is also home to a diverse wildlife, including deer, wild turkeys, foxes, and a variety of bird species, making it a popular destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Its rolling hills, deep valleys, and the picturesque Cuivre River create a vibrant ecosystem that continues to thrive today. Cuivre River State Park offers a range of amenities designed to enhance visitors' outdoor experiences. The park features numerous hiking and equestrian trails, along with well-maintained picnic areas equipped with tables and grills for a relaxing, fun day in nature. Campers can also enjoy both modern and primitive camping facilities, complete with restrooms and shower facilities. For those interested in fishing, the park's lake and the Cuivre River provide excellent opportunities to catch various fish species. Additionally, the park offers educational and interpretive programs allowing visitors to connect with the area's rich natural and cultural history.